Dalam kaliang persya ubak Roni V Lengdok, ulang bakaan kan le ya kebadan kam ha kabede bakacing ujor dangshen persya UMLA dakam khalia loka yukta halor ke kam bamsap. Usan JE sangma ubalong unong mikmat kaseng NPP na Mahendraganj constituency ulalong uwe ni kat arngut ki blasya kan no bamsap. Habakali la kaliang persya kan simkiane man ujor sya ulam pang ke yang dorbar tauan halor ke ni kebenta ubak Lengdok ubalong ru nong elam ke CLP ulang bakani ke kam ke syong hakaan bat hakasang sain pertai.
Process the process of law should follow. Now, until it is proven guilty, the person is innocent. We have charge sheeted. Now the legal system, as I said, we are happy. We are proud that the legal system in India is still perfect. People can, look up to the court for justice. So I think it's not good. I think that is for the law enforcing authority to do that. It's not our job.
Ha kajing peninam ya ketiar tenrai bat ban kentiu ya kayo